What is up, you guys? In today's video, we're going to dive into your Black Friday and Cyber Monday plan of attack to increase your sales during this awesome part of the year. Let's dive in. All right, well, as always, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so grateful for you. As always, listen, you can spend your time anywhere, and you chose to spend it with me, and I appreciate that. And today, I want to help you develop and craft a plan for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Black Friday, Cyber Monday is historically one of the best times of the entire year to sell anything, right? People are ready to spend money around Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So one of the first things that you got to remember is that Black Friday, Cyber Monday is where everybody really goes all out with their sales, okay? And so if you aren't running any type of sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you're not going to incentivize people to buy. So one of the number one principles that you need to know is that you need to be running a really good sale during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So this is always the time of the year that we run our most aggressive sale, and we post that as well. We voice that. This is the best sale of the year, period. You will never buy what we're selling for any less than what you can buy it for right now, okay? Now, you need to make sure that you're not losing money, obviously, while doing that. So you need to understand your margins and know your costs. You still need to be profitable, but the game here switches from hitting a bunch of home runs with every sale to hitting a bunch of base hits with every sale, and the sheer volume of your orders being what drives your revenue, okay? Those are some of the principles you need to know just going into it, okay? So you need to have a sale. The other thing about this, guys, is you can always run a sale, okay? This is some really good advice that I got right when I started my business is don't set your top line prices too low, okay? You can always have really expensive top line prices and always run some type of sale and incentivize people to buy. So let's get into some more of the strategy when it comes to Black Friday, Cyber Monday. What I like to recommend is that right now, let's say that you're watching this video the middle of November, you're a week out from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you need to start incentivizing and giving early bird access to any people that you've spoken with in the past that have not bought. Okay, so what this means is if you have a bunch of people that you've talked to over the last year that haven't bought, you need to create a standardized message that just says, hey, so-and-so, insert customer name. We're getting ready to run the biggest sales event of the year for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and we thought since we've talked to you in the past that we would give you early bird access to that sale if you're still in the market for a table or whatever it is that you sell. No pressure from us, just let us know if you'd like a fresh quote with this updated pricing. Thanks so much. And just literally copying this and pasting this and sending it to all of your prospects that you visited with in the past that did not end up purchasing. So that's one of the very first things that you can do is give early bird access to previous leads that did not buy, okay? So that's number one. That's one of the first things that you can do. Number two is on your page, hopefully you have a business page, you need to start teasing the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. So you giving early bird access to previous leads, you're not posting that for everybody to see, okay? Those are one-on-one conversations that you're having. But then when it comes to leading up to Black Friday, Cyber Monday, somewhere around the 20th of November, you need to be posting like Black Friday is coming, ... I like to just do a black post with white lettering and post that to my page. Black Friday is coming. Something like that, that is just a tease to the biggest sale of the year is around the corner, and it lets your followers know I need to possibly get prepared to jump on this train. Number three, if you have a website, you need to make sure that you are prepared to change your pricing on your website. So this is right before you actually launch your sales event and make it public. The night before, you need to change that website pricing to reflect that. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. If you don't have a website, you don't have to worry about this, but if you do have a website, you need to change your pricing online to reflect the website. Okay, this is one that I really like, strategy that I really like, is you should create around 5 to 10 Facebook Marketplace listings for whatever it is that you sell. One thing that's really cool about Facebook Marketplace right now is that you can upload a video and then a bunch of photos. And so if you have good video of your product, you should upload that and then a bunch of photos of different versions of what you do. Whatever the thing is that you sell, you should post as much content on every listing for that as you can. And then in the description, you need to post about your Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales event. And then make sure that you duplicate what your sales copy says. You want to copy and paste that into more and more posts and then change all of your creative. Okay, your creative is your videos and your images. And then another thing you can do is you can start going into local Facebook groups. So like where I live in Longview, Texas, there's a local Facebook group called All Things Longview. And in that Facebook group, I can post from the business or about the business and hopefully attract local business that way. These are all organic ways to drive traffic and to drive revenue, okay? The next thing is that if you have any type of email list at all, so if you have collected any email addresses from anybody ever, you need to have a plan of action to send 3 to 5 emails to that email list before, during, and at the close of your Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales event. Okay, so you need to have a plan of action to engage with your email list, start driving revenue for Black Friday, Cyber Monday from that list. Okay, the last thing, this is always my number one strategy, is to have a really great paid advertising campaign prepared to launch around Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So that's one of those things that right now we're working with all 33 of our clients to do. That's what I'm preparing to do inside of Iron by Iron Woodworks, is really launch a full-scale Black Friday, Cyber Monday advertising campaign. But everything else that I listed here are the organic, free things that you can do to drive extra revenue to your business during this time. So don't skip it. Don't miss out on all the good stuff that can come from Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Some of my biggest incredible moments in business have happened during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So I've talked about it a lot in the past, but the first time I ever made 20 grand in 4 days was Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I spent $600 on ads and drove $19,600 in revenue within 4 days, okay? Life-changing. I'd never seen that. I didn't know that was a possibility. The very first $100,000 month that we ever had happened in November of 2021, and it was life-changing, okay? So just remember that this is not something to skip over. It's gonna take a little bit of work, but typically speaking, you'll see a ton of fruit from really focusing and diving deep on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So if you have any questions about this, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'll make sure to respond to you. Other than that, guys, if you need help with that advertising campaign, be sure to check out the Woodworking Business Accelerator program, where you can join right now. We could probably get you launched in time. So be sure to check that out. I've got some other resources below. Be sure to check those out as well. I got a free ebook, and then also Handmade Hero Academy, a course for those of you that are stuck beneath $10,000 per month and trying to scale. So with that being said, love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.